Wait! Don't scroll!
Deep inside the magical forest, the ecosystem relies on a central power source humming perfectly on its pedestal. But in a sudden flash of bright sparks, a small, mischievous dragon has snatched the kingdom's most valuable asset. The core instructions are gone. We now have a code missing alert. The loss of this crystal severs the connection to the system, causing every autonomous machine in the forest to grind to an immediate halt. The robotic inhabitants remain physically intact, but they are motionless because the signal that once directed them has vanished. This diagram illustrates the relationship. Code is a written set of instructions that tells the physical world what actions to perform. When these instructions merge with the hardware, the machine gains the ability to move. These instructions dictate a precise order. As the commands highlight one by one, the robot executes each task, from lifting its arms to stepping forward. Without that driving set of instructions, the system enters a vacuum state. The hardware is rendered static immediately. To get the kingdom's machinery moving again, we have to write a new set of targeted instructions from scratch to track down our thief. Our new tracking robot is now ready, but a physical maze separates it from the dragon's last known location. We can construct a path using 3 distinct directional commands: up, right, and down. On this grid, we must define a sequence. This is the strict chronological order to execute our commands to reach the target. Using the correct directions but swapping the order leads to a system fail. The robot plots a path directly into a solid wall. This makes it necessary to analyze the physical obstacles in the environment before plotting the very first command. Mapping a viable path involves identifying the open squares and deciding the exact logic required for each individual step around the barriers. Out of the various possible combinations, only one specific logical path avoids a crash. A sequence is only functional if every individual instruction aligns with the physical and logical constraints of the maze. Let's apply this to the full maze. The robot is at the starting position, and the dragon is at the end point. Look at these 3 pathway options. Which sequence of directional commands guarantees safe passage to the end? Mentally verify the outcome of each step before you commit to the final code. Selecting the correct sequential path completes the analytical process. Once the path is verified, we can commit the system to execution. The correct sequence is right, down, right, up, right. Executing that sequence allows the tracking robot to move step by step through the forest floor until it reaches the target. The dragon hands over the first piece of the missing instructions, which we can now reintegrate into the system. Breaking down a problem into these step-by-step sequential instructions is called writing an algorithm. This approach transforms a tangled physical obstacle into a series of predictable, manageable steps that the robot can follow to its goal. But the mission isn't over. A shadowy entity is secretly observing our progress from behind the trees. While this puzzle is solved, protecting the kingdom requires identifying this new threat. We'll track them down in the next adventure.